Attention everyone. Attention everyone. Attention everyone. Be advised, due to weekend construction, 42nd Street Times Square will be the last stop on the Q train. If you need service to 49th Street or 57th Street, 7th Avenue, you can take the N or the R train. If you want to go to Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street, you can take the F or the A train at 34th Street. If you want to go to 96th Street, 86th Street, or 72nd Street, you can take the A train.
Wow. But luckily we were going up that towards that direction. Uh. Wow. This reminds me of a trip somewhere, especially on the sub. Oh look, we are bypassing this. That is the I can't see it over here. Oh yeah, it is. And look, we have a train race. I don't know. Wow. This is like this is like gonna be fun. Yeah, I was like, what? We have a train race. How you know? I was like, I haven't been on this line for years either. Yeah, like like different lines. Nah. Yeah. Oh man, oh, look. We are bypassing the station again, which is 8th Street. Yeah. Wait, is this an express? So it's a Q train express. I'm like, I haven't known like any other lines. This is like New York is for everything. Humongous city of all. Multiple areas. Multiple. But I know Manhattan, not East Harlem or Harlem. I know the Bronx, but not Brooklyn. What? What? Oh wow.
This
And
is 14th Street, Union Square. Transfers available for the NRL 4, 5, and 6 train.
34th Street. 34th.
This is a 42nd Street Times Square bound Q train. Next stop will be 34th Street, Harold
Yup.
Square.
34th Street, Howard Square. Well, and we just need the R train.
Stand clear of the closing doors. Stand clear, 34th Street next. Stand clear of the closing doors.
Oh,
Stand clear.
I forgot to tell you, I went to the station stop last year. Like on the sub. I hope that train that this will be the both. And the next stop is 34th Street. Oh yeah, and now this has all this. We almost tried. Where should we take it to? Oh, what street? Oh, wow. I haven't heard. Oh, wow. We are passing 23rd Street now. Oh, now. Yeah, I think like the Express Street too. Wow. And we passing 28th Street now. 34th. Oh. Yup. This is 34th Street. All right, now we need to know how
This
to.
is 34th Street, Harold Square. If you want to go to 96th Street, 86th Street, or 72nd Street and 2nd Avenue, you can transfer upstairs for the A train that'll come on the F track.
What? Wow, we got another train on the right. I'm sorry. Yes, on the right. On the
The
right.
next, the next and last stop on this train will be 42nd Street, Times Square. If you need to go to 29th Street,
All right. All right.